Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will create a 2D array in Python using numpy package, and we will create a 2D array using list of list. So you can also check out the part 1 if you didn't check it. So first we have to import a package. So I'm going to import a package numpy as np, and now this is a variable baseball with list of lists. It has 1 2 3 and 4 lists, and every list contain weight and height in centimeters and weight in kg. So now we are going to make a variable, a 2D numpy array. So I'm going to create a new variable np underscore baseball, and here I am using a function np.array, and I'm giving the variable baseball. Okay, and now I'm going to print np underscore baseball. You can also print the type of this variable, so to check that whether it is a 2D array or 3D array or 4D array, so we are going to print the type as well, and let's check it out. Okay, so we have successfully created a 2D array, as you can see, and this is the class numpy and the array. Okay, so in this way you can create a numpy array. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.